Okay, before you begin to question the excessive frankness of the statement, a crypto news platform, Be in Crypto, wrote it first, and it's amazing how it seemingly resonates so well. Despite being less public than its peers, Cardano's innovative reputation has grown since its Hydra upgrade. Cardano's struggles to carve a market niche seem over. According to reports, the network's developers' activity now ranks third, 7 positions ahead of Ethereum. This is a good moment to rejoice. However, the network might be one step behind Ethereum. Recently, Cardano has been celebrating significant wins. Cardano's visionary and famous outspoken founder, Charles Hoskinson, recently tweeted about the collaboration between IOG, the parent company of Cardano, and World Mobile Group. He noted his pride in the partnership and acknowledged that Cardano was created to scale, foster interoperability, and forge an identity in applications, especially in banking the unbanked and connecting the unconnected. I've always been proud of wonderful collaboration between WMC and IOG, as well as their work utilizing Cardano. Cardano was built for these types of applications that require scale, interoperability, and identity. Banking the unbanked requires connecting the unconnected, Charles Hoskinson tweeted. So, Cardano is not dead, and it has a purpose. So watch out for this moment, because Cardano might just overtake Ethereum. Let's take a deeper dive. Down the history, Cardano was a product of rigorous academic research and meticulous development, built on a solid foundation that anticipates the future needs for the global economy. Charles Hoskinson was remarkably one of Ethereum's co-founders, and he established Cardano as a proof-of-stake blockchain platform aiming to be the world's financial operating system. It has been developed from the ground up and formed by scientific philosophy and peer-reviewed academic research. This collaboration with WMC reflects the network's intent to build a robust ecosystem that empowers individuals and communities. The partnership aims to achieve Cardano's vision of banking the unbanked, a mission that is now more possible than ever, courtesy of the platform's capabilities. Cardano has made significant strides in the cryptocurrency space, with the network recently rising to become the 9th largest DEX blockchain globally. This remarkable improvement can be attributed to the scalability, interoperability, and identity features that Hoskinson referenced in his tweet. Cardano's capacity for scalability is part of what makes it attractive for large-scale applications. Plus, its Ouroboros protocol enables the platform to process more transactions rapidly than many other blockchains. Concerning Cardano versus Ethereum, there seems to be a chance that Cardano could rise to beat Ethereum at its game. Thanks to Charles Hoskinson's proactive efforts and consistency in updating the community about the happenings in the ecosystem, we don't have to question Cardano's future. However, the Ethereum founder, Vitalik Buterin, does the same thing. So, it's safe to say that this is an endless battle where the contenders are using the same strategies. A bit awkward, right? In a recent blog post, Buterin laid out his ideas for what it would take to help Ethereum mature if it is to expand in use, calling them the 3 transitions. Buterin highlighted that they would need to evolve around transitions and layer 2, scaling solution, and a move to smart contract wallets, and greater privacy for fund transfers. Buterin's proposals notably bump into what has been called the blockchain trilemma. A blockchain's most important traits are being decentralized, secure, and scalable, but it can only usually achieve 2 of these 3. To overcome this, Buterin explained that it acknowledges that these transitions will be challenging to coordinate, but said that they were needed for Ethereum to survive. This update from Buterin was well appreciated, thus emphasizing that Ethereum is not a clueless platform. Charles Hoskinson and Vitalik Buterin have a long history of feuds, so is this why their respective networks must compete? There was a time when Charles Hoskinson took notice of a spam bot on Twitter that was impersonating Vitalik Buterin. As reported, there was a massive uptick in the number of bots impersonating Buterin ahead of the hotly anticipated merge event last year. On a Sunday, a Twitter account that belonged to a popular British radio station was hacked to promote an Ethereum giveaway scam. Many other verified Twitter accounts were hijacked, with fraudsters attempting to impersonate Buterin. Hoskinson attempted to laugh off the bot issue, claiming that Buterin would never actually follow him on Twitter. Both of them are Ethereum co-founders, yet they couldn't agree on the structure of the project. While Buterin wanted Ethereum to be a non-profit entity, Hoskinson wanted a for-profit organization. His vision didn't sit well with Buterin, which ultimately led to him leaving the organization in June of 2014. But after all these years, Hoskinson appears to have mended fences with Buterin, in a way though. In 2021, Hoskinson said in an interview that they both had grown a lot. Buterin also acknowledged that Hoskinson's project had some interesting ideas, even though he belittled the importance of academic rigor. Also, Hoskinson has repeatedly described Ethereum as a dumpster fire. In May of 2021, he jokingly said that it was not too late for Buterin to come to Cardano. I mean, what a history between these two. However, feuds are not substantial reasons for both networks to increase their worth and scale. Improvements are essential, regardless of whatever goes on between founders. Even with a significant run-up in 2023, the cryptocurrency market remains well off its peak valuation of $3 trillion in 2021. Investors just aren't as excited about the industry as they were a couple of years ago. Higher interest rates and a softer macroeconomic backdrop make risky assets less attractive. Plus, recent regulatory actions by the Securities and Exchange Commission have also cast a shadow over the industry's future. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies are also selling at steep discounts. Ethereum is 62% below its all-time high of about $4,900 in November of 2021, but for those looking to put some money to work in this high-risk, high-reward asset, now might be a good time to do so. Unlike Bitcoin, which lacks features and network functionality, Ethereum is built with smart contracts, and these software programs run on its blockchain automatically when specific conditions are met. This technological innovation allows its blockchain to be home to a bunch of decentralized applications, eliminating the need for intermediaries or sponsors. Regardless of our preferences, Ethereum has always been a nice catch. Ethereum is accurately positioned to continue to being the leading blockchain platform when it comes to dApps. According to a report from Electric Capital, a venture investment firm, half of all DeFi developers were working on Ethereum, and it has the largest active developer community compared to any other cryptocurrency, and almost triple the second best, Polkadot. This means that there's a lot of smart and dedicated computer experts working to continuously improve Ethereum, which should help keep it in the lead. The most recent upgrade, the merge, transitioned Ethereum to a proof-of-stake consensus model. It's supposed to be more energy efficient while setting the network up for greater scalability to handle more transactions at lower costs in the future. There are more upgrades planned over the next few years that should keep Ethereum at the cutting edge in the blockchain industry. Cardano is also bouncing well in DeFi. The Cardano DeFi ecosystem went live on January 2nd, 2022, when the Muesli Swap mainnet launched, opening up with 845,000 TVL. Additional DeFi protocols soon followed, including Sunday Swap, bringing TVL to mid-March of 2022 peak of $326 million. Sadly, since then, the TVL has fallen sharply, leading into a bottom rounding pattern and hitting a local bottom of $48.948 million on January 1st of 2023. From that point, the value locked in Cardano has been on the up, striking a year-to-date high of $171 million by April 15th. Even though a marginal dip followed, the macro uptrend appears to be reasserting itself. Interest in Cardano DeFi is mounting thanks to significant milestones achieved by native protocols establishing themselves within the cryptocurrency space. Notably, MintSwap is the largest Cardano DeFi protocol by TVL, holding 36.1% dominance. On May 23rd, the team announced a record-breaking and historic day with a hit of 30.3 million ADA daily transaction volume. Cardano DEX volume moving up to the 9th largest, of which MintSwap accounted for 87% and becoming the 17th largest DEX across all chains. Ethereum's popularity is well documented and has gained the reputation outside the crypto industry. Cardano is also on that same path. Recent statements by Roger Ver, also known as Bitcoin Jesus, predicted Ethereum could soon onboard enough new users to challenge Bitcoin's dominance as a store of value. Time will tell whether Cardano will be leapfrogging Ethereum by solving the Ethereum network's congestion problem, though. Generally, every year, it seems like there's a new blockchain rival that investors think might eventually take Ethereum's place as the top layer 1 blockchain. In past years, these blockchain rivals have included the likes of Solana and Avalanche, but Cardano remains the most resilient of all. However, due to a strong track record of innovation, Ethereum has retained its market-leading position. Cardano and Ethereum have seen stellar gains thus far in 2023, but given Ethereum's track record of delivering performances over a longer period and its entrenched status as the market leader, the nod goes to Ethereum in terms of choosing the better buy. But when it comes to top-notch upgrades and well-structured roadmap, Cardano seems to be the winner. Above all, time will tell. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you hit the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.